Record videos. Let's talk about recording videos. Explain Everything is a recordable whiteboard that allows you to create and then share engaging, media-packed explainers in just moments. Let's see how easy it is to record a video and explain everything. To record a video, all you have to do is tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can start talking and explaining. Your voiceover, along with all movement on the canvas, will be recorded. You can easily zoom in and out to showcase parts of the whiteboard project so everyone can follow along and stay on the same page. When you stop the recording, the timeline opens. You can now make any necessary edits. Recording and editing narration with Explain Everything is fun and simple.